About 3 weeks ago, Bitcoin mining BTC Cloud Miner lost its ability to give Bitcoin withdrawals, which made people lose a lot of trust in the app. A week or so later, they eventually put in some rewards, but they were not realistically obtainable. Well, they finally put an update out with rewards you can actually get. For 2,000 points, which was previously 20,000 Satoshis, you can get a $20 gift card to Amazon. So from what I can tell, watching all 55 ads will give you around 200 to 400 sats a day. You can see yesterday I was at 7,869, and then this morning, and this was maybe about 15 minutes earlier than yesterday's picture, and I was at 8,175. But remember, how this works is the ads stop at midnight. So if you run your ads right as midnight hits, you'll get the maximum rewards. So my guess is if you watch all 55 ads a day, you'll receive around 20 to 40 points depending on when you do them. And on the surface, it's honestly not bad. The only apps I can think that are better at this point for just watching ads for rewards are Atlas Earth and probably ZBD. But to me, withdrawing 20,000 Satoshis with the potential of Bitcoin's growth is worth a lot more to me than a $20 gift card to Amazon. So my game plan is to get to 20,000 Satoshis or 2,000 points and show you all the withdrawal process. And according to the email from the creator of the app who says they watch these videos, he says they're going to release even smaller rewards very soon. But for now, I don't think I can justify watching this many ads a day just for a $20 gift card every, 4 to 6 weeks or so, right? So as far as answering the question of whether it's worth it, I think it is for a lot of people. But if you're an investor to some of these cloud mining apps like I am, obviously, I don't think it's really worth my time. It just takes too long to watch all those ads. But if anything changes in the app, I'll keep you all updated. And when I do hit those 2,000 points, I'll do the withdrawal and show you how it's done. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to break down these apps as well as I can and show you which ones are worth it or not. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching. And until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.